Hi everyone, this is the review of the UFO LED high bay light 200 watts, and let me tell you more about it. I mean, this light is super bright with 200 watts of powers and 22,000 lumens. It's really perfect for any large area like a warehouse, a factory, a barn, or even a big garage. And then the brightness, it's incredible, and it covers the wide space really well. And then one thing that's really cool and really I like is how easy it is to install. It comes with two different ways to mount it. Either you hang it here with screw, or you can just use the included hook. And then the best part, it's plug and play. You just plug, and then that's it into a regular outlet, and it's ready to go. No complicated setup at all. And it's also, I mean, waterproof. So if you are using it somewhere that maybe get damp, or you don't have to worry. I mean, it's just like this build for tough environment, like place like a barns or any space with moisture might be an issue, and that's perfect. I mean, overall, this is really a solid, reliable light. It's bright, it's durable, it's super easy to install, and if you need powerful light for any big space, I will definitely recommend checking this one out.